Are you ready to dive deeper into the functionalities of Manus AI? Let's start by breaking down some best practices that can enhance your experience. When preparing to enter prompts, think carefully about the specifics you want Manus to address. For instance, instead of saying, "Analyze the data," consider instructing Manus with, "Identify the month with the highest sales and present the findings in a chart." This level of detail enables Manus to provide insights that are not only relevant, but tailored precisely to your needs. As you experiment, you'll become more familiar with how nuanced instructions directly impact the quality of the output. Engage with the process, as the clearer your guidance, the more effective Manus becomes in delivering results that meet your expectations. When you harness Manus AI's capabilities, remember that its power extends beyond mere analysis. Explore how its features can aid in creative tasks as well. For example, if you need to draft marketing copy for a product launch, outline your key points and desired tone. Instead of a vague request like, "Write something for our new product," specify, "Create an engaging, persuasive paragraph for a vegan protein powder targeting fitness enthusiasts." This approach channels Manus's creativity efficiently, generating content that resonates with your audience while saving you countless hours. As you refine your prompts, you'll discover Manus not only meets, but often exceeds your expectations, enhancing both your productivity and the creative outcomes of your projects. Are you curious about how Manus can streamline your project management in addition to handling data tasks? Consider leveraging its unique feature set to coordinate team efforts. Instead of sending emails back and forth, instruct Manus to compile team members' tasks, deadlines, and progress updates into a clear, organized report. You could say, "Create a summary of current project statuses for each team member," allowing Manus to produce a concise overview to share. This eliminates the typical confusion surrounding multiple concurrent projects and focuses everyone on their respective responsibilities. Moreover, the immediate output from Manus enables quick adjustments, ensuring your project stays on track. You'll find that with every task, Manus AI not only finishes things faster, but also keeps the entire team aligned on goals and timelines, enhancing collaboration and communication profoundly. To further optimize your experience, familiarize yourself with the feedback features implemented within Manus AI. After submitting a task, take a moment to review the insights provided in the right panel. This section not only displays the outputs, but also offers suggestions and potential avenues for additional exploration based on your initial request. For example, if Manus identifies trends in your sales data, it might recommend delving deeper into customer demographics or seasonal purchase patterns. Engaging with these suggestions can lead to richer analyses and more comprehensive strategies for your projects. By trusting Manus to guide you through these details, you elevate your understanding of the data while saving precious time. Additionally, do not hesitate to provide feedback on Manus's performance. This interaction can further enhance the learning capabilities of the AI, ensuring it grows more attuned to your style and preferences with each completed task. Always explore the potential hidden within these interactions, as they can inspire innovative approaches that you might not have considered otherwise. Through this collaborative process, your projects can flourish, benefiting from the dynamic partnership you forge with Manus AI. As you embark on your journey with Manus AI, it's essential to keep track of various metrics to gauge your progress. Consider setting key performance indicators, KPIs, for your tasks, whether it's the time saved on report generation or the accuracy of the data insights. By doing so, you can not only monitor Manus's performance, but also refine your workflow over time. Adjusting your approach based on these insights will allow you to tailor future prompts more effectively, ensuring that every interaction with Manus leads to continuous improvement and efficiency in your projects. Embrace this iterative process, and you'll harness the full power of automation to propel your endeavors forward. Once you become adept at utilizing Manus AI, you may want to explore its integration capabilities with other tools that complement your workflow. For instance, if you're using project management software or cloud storage solutions, Consider linking these platforms with Manus for seamless data exchange. By automating the flow of information, you can significantly reduce manual input and errors, ensuring that all your resources remain coordinated. This interconnected approach will empower you to focus more on strategic planning and creative ideation while leaving repetitive tasks to Manus. Such integrations will not only boost your overall efficiency, but also create an environment where innovation thrives, as you harness the full spectrum of available technologies to achieve your project goals. To truly harness the capabilities of Manus AI, take advantage of its ability to learn from your interactions. Each prompt you provide helps Manus understand not just the task requirements, but also your preferences. Over time, it becomes more intuitive in anticipating your needs, refining outputs that align with your style, ensuring that the relationship you build is both productive and satisfying. By regularly engaging with Manus, you're essentially giving it the feedback it needs to evolve, turning it into a personalized tool that complements your workflow seamlessly. This level of customization is what sets Manus AI apart and empowers you to achieve remarkable outcomes. As you continue to refine your use of Manus AI, consider exploring how it can assist with long-term project goals. For instance, instruct Manus to analyze past performance metrics and identify trends over time. By asking it to generate a quarterly review based on the last year's data, you can reveal valuable insights that inform future strategies and initiatives. This proactive analysis encourages you to plan ahead, allowing for data-driven decision-making and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By integrating Manus AI into your workflow, you'll unlock a level of efficiency and creativity that transforms the way you approach tasks. As you adopt these practices, you'll not only streamline operations, but also embrace a new standard of excellence in your projects, paving the way for innovation and success in your endeavors. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Manus AI features. If you liked the content of this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications for our updates on the most recent AI developments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.